tramping through the bush, and wow, look at this big turtle, look at it. Oh, poor little buddy. There's his skull. Sadly, I think I have to leave this behind because if you take these, you can get busted for it. Oh, you know, you could be responsible for its death. Oh, I'd really like that to take home and carve, but best be doing the right thing. Look at their spit. Isn't that trippy? I'll definitely be taking some photos of this. Isn't that mad? Crazy. Those big chompers. I had a friend of mine that used to dive for abalone in South Australia, and yeah, got his finger chomped off by a turtle somehow. He's got his thumb chomped off. He got caught up in a net, but wow, isn't that cool? I can understand why. That's razor sharp. Madness.